In today's video, we will show you how to set a MECHA code as a favorite and how to use it. An example code is 3212, which displays the firmware version on the LEDs under the battery symbol. After entering the code, MECHA displays it on the LEDs, allowing you to check if the code is correct. Then you can press either the left arrow button to confirm or the power button to cancel. To simplify the process of entering a code, the code can be set as a favorite. To do that, access the configuration page and scroll to the FavCode fields. Then enter the code in the first field, for example. After saving the new settings, you will simply long press the button on the controller instead of entering the code. We are using a MECHA C1 controller, so we can set up to 3 favorite codes. MECHA C2 users can set only 2 favorite codes. Let's assign the code 321 to button 2. This code displays the last part of the IP address on the LEDs under the battery symbol, starting with a dot. We will enter the code 232 in the FavCode 3 field, assigning this code to button 3. It will disable or enable all the MECHA LEDs, which could be useful during night photography. Save the new settings using the Apply button. Let's now find the firmware version using FavCode 1 by long pressing button 1. It is 02431. We will find the last part of the IP address using FavCode 2 by long pressing button 2. It is .152. If AAA is displayed instead, MECHA is in AP mode, and the IP address is 192.168.8.1. If 3 exclamation marks are displayed, it means the Wi-Fi is off. If either .0 or 0.0.0.0 is displayed, MECHA is not in AP mode, nor does it have an IP assigned. In this case, you can enable AP mode by pressing button 1 for 3 seconds, when the LEDs flash like a splitting light, immediately after powering on MECHA. Then the user interface can be accessed at 192.168.8.1. By long pressing 3, all the LEDs are disabled, including the LED under the power button. The LEDs will light up, however, if buttons are pressed for entering a code, to show the result of a code, or for a battery check. By long pressing 3 again, the LEDs are enabled. So, FavCode 3 toggles between the disabled and enabled states. Please note that preset codes, such as 131, can also be set as favorite codes, but the rotation will be to the right and cannot be changed. Thank you for watching.